So today we will be learning what is long multiplication. You probably learn in schools. So right here, we'll do one question. $52 times 12. So right here, just gonna draw a line. So right here, if you were to solve this question, you would just take this question. So I'll show you with a line. So we're gonna take this and connect it to this, which means we have to multiply this and this. So 2 times 2 is really easy because it's 4. So that's what we have to do again. Add a boring text box right there. So right here, we need it a little bigger. We need to do this. So right here, numbers 4. Wait, we need this text box. So right here. Right here, we'll say 4. And 2 times 5 is 10. Wait. So here, see it's 104. And make the text box bigger and expand that. So, not many people will really just put a 0 right there. And I don't do that. I just go to the middle, right here. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 5 is 5. What's a space here? I'll just remove this space. It's right here. So we need to sum this up. So we'll do that. Look here. The number is 624. So we bring the 4 down, then the 2, and then add these 2 equals 6. So this is our answer. So you can do this to pretty much like every multiplication question, long multiplication, I'm pretty sure. So let's just move it up here. Now let's copy this. So all we really need to change is, let's do another one, is 62 times 19 so we need to remove all of this. So right here. 2 times 9 is 18. So, put that right there. And 6 times 9 is a little harder, but it's 54. So see what we can't put this a 4-digit number like thousands. We need to keep it hundreds. So you might be thinking, how do we do that? Well, simple. See, this is number 1. You just need to take that. So you keep that. The number was 54, right? Now this is a number 1, so we add 1 to 54. Which everyone should know would be 55. So that's how we solve this part. Then we have this. Remember what we do here. So 1 times 2 is here. Is 2. Forgot to say that. And 1 times 6, 62. And I forgot to tell you that here, right here, you don't just get all the numbers from here. You can also multiply this. This is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's sum this up. So this should equal 1,178. And that should be the answer. Let's just check it over, and yeah, that does equal it. So let's do one more. Like 79 times 33. So let's take this and copy it. So right here, then we need to change all of this. So here, 3 times 9, 3 times 9 is 27. Three times 9 is 27. Why did I put 39? No, let's keep this right here. I have a feeling we might change this. So 7 times 3 is 21. So yeah. Remember what we do here. It's the same thing as what we did for the previous one. We added 1 to this, which was previously 54. Now it's 55. So we need to change to this 27. And takes 21 from the first number of 27, which I meant the first digit, and take that number and add it to 21, which is 23. Now we need to move on to the second line. So right here, 3 times 9, we already did that, which was 27. So you also can just take this, but we have to do the same thing what we did here. So this is also 27. And yeah, we have to basically copy that number. So Because, see, 3 times 9, 3 times 7, 3 times 9, 3 times 7. So, there's basically like no difference. So here, let's sum it up. It should equal 2,607. Check that. So right here, I almost thought this was wrong, but it's not. This equals like 10, which means we have to carry over to here. So this answer is correct. That's it for this video. So like and just subscribe if you're finding this video helpful. And the reason why you need to subscribe is to not miss out on the next teaching episodes, because yeah. So I'm gonna stop recording right now.